Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best of the best in household essentials. And today we're diving into a powerful cleaning solution that truly lives up to its reputation. If you're on the hunt for the best Oven Brite, this is it, the Scotch-Brite Stainless Steel Hood Degreaser Wipes with Scotch-Guard Protector. Now, when we talk about cleaning stainless steel surfaces, especially those tricky ones like range hoods, fryer exteriors, dishwashers, or refrigerator doors, it's often a battle against stubborn grease and grime. But this product from 3M makes that battle a lot easier. These are not your average wipes. They are ready to use, pre-moistened, and disposable, packed with a high-performance cleaner and degreaser, and enhanced with none other than Scotch-Guard Protector. What sets these wipes apart is the one-step cleaning convenience. There's absolutely no need to dilute any chemical, no rinsing required, and no overspray. That means no mess, no streaks, and no extra time wasted. Just pull a wipe from the canister and get started. They are designed specifically for stainless steel, so whether it's your kitchen exhaust hood, the back of your stove, or non-food contact areas of fryers and grills, these wipes work fast and efficiently. You'll see grease vanish with minimal effort, and the surfaces left behind are not just clean, they're protected. And this is where the Scotch-Guard layer comes in. After just one use, these wipes leave behind a protective barrier that helps repel grease and grime in the future. In fact, regular use can cut your cleaning time by up to 45%. That's a huge difference, especially in a busy kitchen environment, whether at home or in a commercial setup. From a safety standpoint, the wipes are HACCP International Certified and NSF Certified, which means they meet strict standards for use in food-related environments. That gives you peace of mind that not only are you cleaning effectively, but you're doing it in a safe and reliable way. The material of the wipes is a blend of polyethylene terephthalate and rayon, which gives it strength and absorbency. It won't tear easily mid-wipe, and it holds the cleaning solution well without drying out too quickly. Each canister contains 30 wipes, giving you plenty to work with before needing a refill. And let's talk about convenience. No need to haul out sprays, cloths, or paper towels. Everything you need is in this one canister. Whether you're deep cleaning after a heavy cooking session or just doing a quick wipe down after breakfast, this product makes maintenance effortless. If you're managing a professional kitchen or just want your home kitchen to sparkle like one, the Scotch-Brite Stainless Steel Hood Degreaser Wipes deliver on all fronts: cleaning power, ease of use, surface protection, and reliability. That wraps up today's breakdown. If you've been searching for the best Oven Brite solution out there, this is the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deep dive from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.